wears a cape and goes around at night sucking human blood. A monster. And that's me, a descendant of the vampire. Shit! I messed up! Stupid password! Anyway, I love stuff made by humans, especially the ones from Japan. They have my total respect. That's why I can't imagine leaving this place and traveling to the human world to feed on them. And where is this place? This is the demon world. From what I hear, my ancestors used to go around sucking human blood. But if you ask me, that's crazy. I mean, I hear that the sun's really strong in the human world. Plus, you need money and a passport to get there. Besides, I may not look it, but I'm really busy. Yeah, Stas here. What? Don't Uncle, please? What the hell? Yeah!
Hey, boss, you're up. That's unusual.
Ah, Stas, it's you. Get that DVD and the figure I asked you about?
No, I haven't had time to grab those yet. But I got a little something you might find even more interesting.
Like what?
You're not gonna believe this. It's a woman. A human one.
A human woman?
I don't know the whole story, but it looks like she's here by accident. We're not really sure how to handle this, so we figured we should report to you. I mean, this isn't the human world. Is it, okay to use our demon world rules? Like, once you've been in another's territory, you can't complain about what's done to you. Boss? You listening?
A human. In the demon world, a human. Bring her here, now. Your territory boss orders it. See, the demon world is divided into several territories. And I'm one of the territory bosses who's in charge of them. I try to act like a boss because of my position, but right now... A human! I'm getting to meet a real human woman! It's like a dream come true! Alright, what do I talk about first? If she's Japanese, I want to thank her people for my cool game console! Arigato! Oh yeah, it's for cell phones! Manga! I have to know if she likes manga! And music! Wonder which song I should play! Crap, what should I wear? I've got nothing but cheap imitations of human world styles! They don't even come close to the real deal! Come on! Bang, bang, bang! I don't know, maybe this is a little much.
Boss!
Huh? Wait!
I'm here with the girl.
No, I'm not ready! Yes?
You, okay?
Good one, Jack. You can go now. Don't let anybody in. What was that? As soon as our eyes met, I felt like I was being sucked in. And now I feel like my heart is being squeezed. What is this feeling?
So? Think Boss is gonna eat her all by himself or leave some for us?
I don't know. He wasn't acting like he chose himself.
What do you mean?
It was almost like he was, nervous.
All right, step right up and don't be shy. Be the first to get one of these rare plants only found in South Demon World. They make great pets, fun for the whole family. How about it?
You don't look familiar. Who the hell gave you permission to set up shop here?
I need permission?
If you want to do business in someone's territory, you need permission from its boss. That's the way it goes in the demon world.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Please, allow me to meet your boss then.
You come back another time. Boss is busy now.
Oh, I get it. He's got more important things to do. That's too bad. In that case, I'll just have to force him to come out. Seriously? The game already has that many sequels?
Yes, I believe so.
There's nothing final about it then! take the boss's head.
What do you mean?
I'm the boss now, but whoever comes along and defeats me will be the next one in charge. It's just the way these things work around here. Pretty stupid, huh?
To be honest, I'm still not sure where I am, and I don't even know why I'm here. I feel so confused. It's like being awake inside of a dream.
I know. Feels like I'm dreaming too. Imagine me leading a human.
It's not what I meant. It's hard to explain. But right now, what's most important is that you go to your friends because they need your help.
It's happening again. When she stares at me with those eyes. I see. So that's it.
Are you alright?
You're just so cute! I lied to you, so I don't want to hurt you in any way. In fact, what I really want to do is protect you. Yeah, that's it. I really want to protect you. I don't have any urge to bite into that white, soft-looking neck of yours. I'll do anything you ask me to do. Anything! And that's why I'm gonna kill. It sounds like my buddies are in some kind of trouble.
Oh, wait! Not with Lewis!
Why'd I lie to her like that? Why didn't I just suck her blood? I could have fed on her.
Boss!
Well. It appears that the boss has finally shown up. The one whose name is known throughout the East Demon world. The Vampire Stars.
Vampire. Yep, that's me. I always hated it. The thing about sucking human blood, belonging to nobility, going around in a stupid cape. All of it.
Watch out for them vines. Those things will chop you to shreds.